Okay, so let's resume the tutorial for solving the first layer, and please be sure to watch the introduction video of this tutorial. So let's start to solve the first layer of a cube. So I'm going to start solving my cube with the white color. You can choose any of the 6 colors and start solving your cube with it. So there are 3 steps to complete the first layer. First, that you have to start solving the first layer, face on which the center piece of the color you have chosen exists. Secondly, we have to arrange the corner pieces, and lastly we have to just match the central pieces. So to begin with, let's start bringing the corner pieces on our top layer. So one corner white piece is already arranged, and let's find for another. Now the another piece I would be searching for would be a white green piece, because this is a white orange green corner piece. So here there would be an white green and another color piece. So let's find for it. So here is the green white piece, which is present where it should be, but in an opposite position. So first we'll need to correct the position of that piece. So we'll take this down, move it away from where it was, and now you can see that the position is correct. Now we'll again get that piece into the position we needed. So take it away, bring the plane downwards, uh, put that piece into that plane and move this up once again. So now you can see that we have got 2 green white pieces arranged on the top side of our white face. Now let's find for another red white piece, because here it's an red, so surely there would be a red white piece over here. So let's find for it, and yeah, here is another red white piece, and present with blue. So let's remove it from there by bringing this down and removing it from here, replacing it with this piece, which is a random piece, and moving it up once again. Now we need this piece over here. So first of all, we'll need to take it away from the place where we need that piece, and let's bring this plane downwards, and now just put that piece into that plane and get this up once again. Moving ahead, we have this last corner piece left to be put on the top layer. So let's do the same for it. Here we take it away, bring this plane down for taking it, match this into that plane, and get this up once again. So now you can see that we have successfully joined all the top corners of the white face. In this case, all the white corners were available on either the top face, the layers which are um, just adjacent to the upper white face. But what if the white piece is in the bottom layer? Like for example, this is a corner piece which is opposite to where we need it. So first we'll need to bring this white color in its correct position, because we can directly move it like this, because it would be in opposite position from what we would be needing. So first we'll just get that corner piece into correct position on the upper layers. So for doing that we'll get this plane downward, so that that white orange green piece which we needed to move it in the upper layers gets towards the side layer, and then we can easily get that piece over here and reverse our movement. So now the pieces come on the upward layers, and now the process remains the same for bringing it to its correct position. We'll get this plane downwards to pick it, we'll put the piece into the plane and get that above once again. And now according to the steps, we shall put the center pieces on the top layer. So first I can see as the red white piece, which would be which should be placed over here. So the place is here. Let's bring this plane downwards to take it, move that piece into that plane, and move this up once again. So now you can see that the piece was present over here, and now it has gone to the top layer. Next we have the blue white piece, which would be to be put over here. Let's get this piece closer to where we need it. Now bring this plane downwards so that we can put the white blue piece into it. We put it the white blue piece, and now let's move the plane upward once again. So we are done with two middle pieces and just left with the two pieces. Here is another orange white piece. Let's take it away from where we need to put it. Bring this plane downwards to take it, merge the piece with that plane, and get this up once again. Finally, we are just left with one piece, that is the green white piece. That's the same procedure for what we have done for the last piece. Get this down, merge it with that plane, and bring this up once again. Now this is another case where we again have the white piece in the opposite plane of where we need it. So this time it's gonna be somewhat easy because we can bring it exactly down from where we need that piece. So finally you can see that we are done with the white face, and you just need to match the color with the downward uh, planes. So I think you are clear with the solving of the first layer, and let's continue to solve the second layer.